Hello boys and girls, this is Tiger Talk. Today I present to you By the Stream. Mom and Dad sat on the rock. The children played by the stream. Beef went on the bridge. They dropped sticks in the water. Kipper couldn't see. Kipper climbed up. He dropped Teddy in the water. Get Teddy, said Kipper. Beef couldn't get Teddy. Get Teddy, said Kipper. Mom couldn't get Teddy. I want Teddy, said Kipper. Dad couldn't get Teddy. Dad fell in. Splash! I am a frogman, said Dad. Boys and girls, how is Kipper feeling? How can you tell? Why did Dad say he was a frogman? Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel. Tiger Talk, more story, more fun. Goodbye.